In this video, I'll be reviewing this $5 Vivitar Smart Multicoloured Bulb. In the box, you get the bulb, and a quick start guide, which tells you how to install the bulb and also how to change different settings. To set up the bulb, you just install it and turn it on. It should blink to indicate that it's ready to set up. If it doesn't blink, just turn it on and off several times, and then it should start blinking. Once it's blinking, you'll need to install the Vivitar Smart Home Security app on your Android or iOS device. Make sure you install the Vivitar Smart Home Security, as there are several Vivitar apps on the App Store. I've already installed the app, so I'll just open it. Go to Add Device, select Lights. The light is a LB-60-AU wireless smart multicoloured LED bulb. So I'll select that. Select Smart Connect and select Continue. Make sure your device is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Select your network name and enter the password. Select Continue. Set a name. It's limits on how many characters you can use. So I'll just use kitchen. Set a room. You can select from some predefined rooms, or you can add a room. Select kitchen and select done. To control your light, select lights. Every time you select lights, it will prompt you to sign into group 4. Just select cancel and select lights again. You can add a timer. You can set the on time or off time. Select the day of the week. I don't want to set a timer, so I'll just delete it. You can turn energy saving mode on. This, with energy saving mode, it will turn the lights on at sunset and turn them off at sunrise. You can control the colour of the light. Select the colour. Select the saturation. Select the brightness. On the white setting, you can control the temperature. You can control the brightness. There is a mood setting. We can select different moods. This is the relaxing mood, reading, focus, exercise, brightening, brightest, media room, nightlife, romantic, candlelight, and daylight. This section of the video compares the Vivitar bulb against two other bulbs. On the left is the Connect RGB bulb, which costs about $14, and on the right is the TP-Link's Tapo L530B bulb, which costs about $27. This first image shows the bulbs set to 100% brightness. In this image, the bulbs have been set to 50% brightness. In this image, the bulbs have been set to their minimum brightness level. And in this last image, the bulbs have been set to red with 100% brightness and 100% saturation. The only problem with these bulbs is that I have been unable to connect them to either the Google Assistant or to Amazon Alexa. They are quite economical, using about 0.3 watts when turned off and use about 6.1 watts when set to 100% brightness.